In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and use the scale ratio in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're working on architectural plans, engineering drawings, or simply need accurate measurements in your PDF documents, knowing how to use the scale ratio tool in Acrobat Pro is essential. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once you've got your file up, look towards the upper left corner of the interface where you will find the All Tools tab. Click on this to access a wide range of functionalities that Acrobat offers. From here, you'll want to select the Measure Objects option. This tool is tailored specifically for situations where precise measurements within a document are crucial, as it provides a variety of ways to measure distances and areas directly on your PDFs. Now that you have selected the Measure Objects tool, you'll notice the appearance of a new toolbar. On this toolbar, the tool you'll be focusing on is called the Measuring tool. Click on this to activate it. As you navigate your document while this tool is selected, you're ready to make measurements directly on the PDF. With the measuring tool active, here's a nifty trick. Simply right-click anywhere on your PDF document. This will bring up a context menu filled with different options. From this menu, look for the option that says Change Scale Ratio and Precision. Select it. Upon selecting this option, a dialog box will pop up on your screen. Within this dialog box, you have the opportunity to specify the scale ratio you desire. This is where you can input something like 1/100 to reflect the precise scale you wish the PDF measurements to represent. This step is crucial as the proper scale ratio ensures that your measurements will be accurate to real-world dimensions. After entering your desired scale ratio in the dialog box, the final step is to simply click OK. By doing this, you've confirmed your settings and your scaled measurements are now in place. Thanks to these changes, any future measurements you make in this document will reflect the real-world sizes accurately based on the scale ratio you set. This concludes our guide on setting and using scale ratios in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Keep this handy skill in your toolkit as it can be incredibly useful for a variety of projects that require precision and accuracy. Remember, these settings can always be adjusted later should your project requirements change. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical guides on mastering your software tools.